This is a vintage Airfix British Infantry military figure set, 1939 to 1945. This will build 6 figures in the pose that you decide. This is kind of a neat kit. 1/32 model, gives you an idea of the era, and then it gives you an idea of the models itself. We'll open it up here and take a look. This is a vintage kit that is untouched for the most part, and we can see the accessories and the poses for most of the figures are still here intact. It's also got the vintage 1970s era instruction set, which is pretty cool. Great for a collector. Of course, some decals as well. Great for a collector, and great for someone who's still making models of this era and wants an authentic set from the period. Hope this helps.